Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to walk you through the process of creating an amazing portfolio website using Wix. Whether you prefer the simplicity of AI generation or want to get hands-on with a template, I will show you both methods step by step. Let's dive right in. Method number 1, creating a portfolio website using Wix AI. First, open your browser and head over to the wix.com. You will see the Wix homepage right at the top. Once you are on the Wix homepage, click on the Get Started button. This will lead you to the account creation page. Here, you can either sign up with your email or continue using your Google account for a faster sign up process. I will go ahead and log in with Google. Now, after logging in, you will be asked who you are creating the website for yourself or a client or someone else. Select the options that fits you the best. After that, you will be prompted to click continue with Wix to move forward. This will take you to the next step. Now it's time to let the AI handle the magic. Click on the start chat. In the chat box, type portfolio as that's the type of the site we want to create. The AI assistant will take a few seconds to process. The AI will ask you some questions about your portfolio. You answer according to your needs, like the purpose of your website or your profession. You can even skip the questions that aren't relevant by hitting the skip button. After answering the questions, the AI will prompt you to the name of your website. This name will be appear as the title of your website, so pick something that represents you well. Once the chat is over, you will be redirected to the dashboard and let the Wix load everything up. It may take few seconds. From here, you can connect a domain name. If you don't have one, Wix can help you to get one. Or you can skip this for and continue without a domain. Now click on the design side in the upper right hand corner of your dashboard. You will be given two options. Choose a template or generate a design with AI. Since we are going with AI, click generate design. Give the AI a few moments to generate the layout and text for your portfolio's website. It will automatically add placeholders for your portfolio images, contact details, and many more. If you don't like the design the AI creates, don't worry. You can simply regenerate it by clicking the regenerate button below, and Wix AI will create a fresh design for you. Once you are satisfied with the design, click continue with design and proceed. You will now enter Wix editor where you can customize your site further, add text changes in images, pick colors, anything that suits your personal style. Take your time. Don't forget to check how your portfolio looks on mobile. Wix make this easy. Just click edit mobile site to see a mobile version of your design and make adjustment accordingly. Finally, when you are happy with the design, hit the publish button in the upper right corner. Your portfolio website is now live for the world to see. Now method number 2, creating a portfolio website using a template via Wix. Now, if you want more control over the design process or you would prefer to start with a template, follow along for method 2. Just like before, head over to wix.com or log in. Once logged in, skip the AI chat by selecting setup without chat, and let's jump straight into choosing a template. Choose your website type. You will now be asked to select the type of website you want to create. Since we are building a portfolio, I will choose portfolio and CV. Hit continue to move forward. Now you will be prompted to name your site just like in method 1. Enter a relevant name and click continue. Wix will then ask you to add any relevant apps for your website. If you are building a portfolio, you might want to add the portfolio, blog, or contact form apps. Choose what suits your needs, then click continue. Once you have added your apps, click continue to dashboard. Just like before, you will be redirected to the main Wix interface. Now click design site, pick a template option. Wix will show you a wide range of pre-made templates. Take your time here. You can either scroll through the templates or use the search bar to find a template that fits your style. Since we are making a portfolio, I will search for portfolio. Once you have found a perfect template, click edit. It will take a few seconds to load everything. Be patient while Wix sets up the basic structure for you. Now the fun begins. You can edit the template by adding your own text, images or video. Click on any element to edit it, change the text, upload your portfolio images and customize the layout. If you want to add something new like a section for testimonials or galleries, simply click on the add elements on the left hand menu. Here you can drag and drop elements such as text, buttons or social media links onto your site. Need multiple pages? You can add new multiple pages like a contact page or a portfolio page by clicking add pages from the left sidebar. Here you can see. To enhance your site, head over to the Wix App Market to find more tools. You can add features like booking appointments, live chats or blogs, etc. etc. Another great features in Wix layer system, click on the layers button on the left hand. You can see all the elements on each page. You can reorder them or delete unnecessary ones. When you are done with customization of all, click save and add your own domain if you have one. If not, Wix can offer a free domain to use. After everything is all set, click publish to make your portfolio site live. Now click on the view site button and now you can see your site fully functional. And that's it. Whether you choose to go with Wix AI powered design or a customizable template, you can have a professional looking portfolio website. And thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on website building. Thanks for watching and good luck with your site. Meet you soon. Till then, stay connected.